Magandang araw po, teachers! Welcome back po dito sa Learning Pal. Kung ang hanap mo ay mga learning resources, nandito yan lahat sa Learning Pal. Kaya mag-subscribe at i-hit lang ang notification bell ng ating YouTube channel para updated tayo pag may mga bagong videos. Good day, Learning Pals! Welcome back to our YouTube channel, where you can get learning resources and learn how to use varied online learning tools. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell for you to be updated whenever there are new videos. The featured game we have today is the memory game. I know that you are very familiar with this game. Today, I will show to you how you can use this game in your lesson and how to edit this PowerPoint game template to suit your lesson. You may use this game as a motivation or springboard of your lesson. To administer this game, we will show objects or things to our audience, our students or participants in the seminar. Then, they have to memorize these things or objects in a given period of time. Once the given time is over, we will move to the next slide and ask our audience to guess what is the missing object or things in our slide. After they give their answer, we will click the slide to reveal the correct answer. Let's check the other slides. If you want to edit it, simply click the picture and replace it with your desired picture. Let's say your lesson is about science and technology, then you may put pictures of some products of technology or pictures of scientists that have known contributions in science and technology. This memory game template, the level of difficulty increases. The easiest round has 4 pictures or icons, and student participants will be given 10 seconds to memorize. In the average round, there are 6 pictures or icons, and 15 seconds will be given to the students or participants to memorize them. Finally, in the difficult round, there are 8 icons or pictures, and it will be memorized for 20 seconds. Other than using this game as motivational activity or springboard of your lesson, you may also use this as an energizer or icebreaker during seminars. You may even use this as a parlor game in any of your virtual gatherings. I hope you like our memory game template, and thank you for watching our video. To have a copy of this PowerPoint game template, just visit my TPT or Teachers Pay Teacher store through the link found at the description of this video. Thank you! Happy learning, pals! Kung nagustuhan niyo po itong video, please like and share. And comment kung may mga questions po tayo. Muli, maraming salamat po! For more learning videos and tutorials, CPD seminars and webinars, DepEd news and updates, and new trends in education, subscribe and hit the notification bell of our YouTube channel. For more learning resources, join my Facebook group. Stay safe po and God bless. Happy learning, pals!